Make appetizing veg handwa with just a scan and Wi-Fi enabled LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select veg handwa from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Clean, wash and soak the rice and dal together in enough water for at least 4 to 5 hours. Then blend in a mixture till smooth. Add curd and mix well. Cover and keep aside to ferment overnight. After fermentation, add salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, baking soda, ginger and green chili paste and mix well. In a MWS bowl, add oil, mustard seeds and curry leaves and microwave for 2 minutes. Now add the boiled vegetables to the fermented batter and then add the prepared tadka, lemon juice and hing. Mix well all the ingredients. Pour the batter in MWS flat glass dish. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Press start. The preheat process begins. When the microwave oven beeps, keep the MWS flat glass dish on a low rack inside the microwave oven and press start. After the final beep, transfer the MWS flat glass dish to high rack inside the microwave oven and press start. Your appetizing veg handwa made with LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven is ready in quick, simple steps. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to Cook microwave oven.